Most Shopify owners lose hours every week doing tasks that should have been automated months ago. Order tagging, customer messages, inventory alerts, manual routing, these don't need your time. Shopify Flow, Zapier, and native triggers now automate almost every repetitive action in your store. Flow handles internal logic instantly. Zapier connects Shopify to CRMS, spreadsheets, and support tools. And native triggers let you respond to events like stockouts or refunds without touching a thing. When you combine these tools, you can reclaim 10 hours a week, reduce support tickets, prevent stockouts, and free your team to focus on real growth instead of admin work. Automation isn't about replacing people. It's about eliminating the tasks that slow them down so your brand can scale with consistency and speed. Want us to map your automation opportunities? Reach out and we'll show you exactly which workflows will save you the most time.